Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video tutorial we are going to solve this equation. So this is a radical equation. So the first things we have to give the conditional of this equation. So because we want to solve it in real number, so conditional of this equation will be x plus 10 is greater or equal to 0 and x minus 2 also greater or equal to 0. Then we will get x is greater or equal to negative 10 and x is greater or equal to 2. So then equivalent to x is greater than 2. Okay, so now we have to take x plus 10 and then equal to 6 minus square root of x minus 2, and then raise both sides of the equation with square. So we got x plus 10 raised to square equal to 6 minus square root of x minus 2 raised to square. Then we will get x plus 10 equal to 6 square minus 2 times 6 square root of x minus 2 plus square root of x minus 2 raised to square. Then x plus 10 equal to 36 minus 12 square root of x minus 2 plus x minus 2. Okay, now we can cancel x both sides of the equation. Okay, and then we get 10 equal to, so here we got 36 minus 2, which is equal to 34 minus 12 square root of x minus 2. Okay, so now let me move negative 12 square root of x minus 2 to the left hand side. That will be 12 square root of x minus 2, and then we take 10 to the right hand side. That will be 34 minus 10. Okay, and then 12 square root of x minus 2 equal to 24. So divide both sides of the equation with 12, then we will get x minus 2 equal to 2. So then the next step, we need to raise both sides of the equation with square again. Then we will get x minus 2 raised to square equal to 2 square. Then x minus 2 equal to 4. And then x equal to 4 plus 2. Then we will get x equal to 6. Okay, so therefore x equal to 6 is the root of the equation. Okay, now I have solved this equation. I hope you can understand. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye. See you in the next video.